A YFI dApp is a secure and cost-effective DeFi platform that was founded in 2020 when decentralized finance was just becoming a buzzword. The team developed the YFI dApp as a solution to the existing hurdles faced in the traditional finance, mainly the expensive transactions, intermediaries, and slow processes. As we all know, and we all are facing the same issue on the Uniswap exchange every day about the costly transactions. Now in this video, I will elaborate all the things, especially the YFID price prediction, and secondly, I will also share about the listing of this token. So stay tuned with us if you want to know something more about the YFI dApp token.
Feel uninvited.
Now here you can see the entire website of the YFI dApp. Now the best thing which I am going to share with you is about the features of the YFI dApp, which is making it unique from the other cryptocurrencies which are available in the market right now. It's entirely a permissionless. Anyone can use the truly permissionless platform. It means that it's 100% decentralized, and the faster transaction, the lack of the intermediaries ensures that the transactions take seconds rather than days, and the borderless finance interact with the individuals and organizations from all over the globe. And as I told you that it's 100% decentralized, there is not even a single central authority that acts as a custodian for the funds. So it's the great thing about this entire platform. The entire supply of this token is 100,000, and the circulating supply will be about 15,000 token, and the staking reward will be about 30,000 tokens. Now coming towards the team and the advisors. The team and the advisors will get 10,116 tokens only, and that will be locked via the smart contract and released only and only 843 tokens per month, and the development team will take only and only 11,000 tokens, and that will be locked via smart contract for 270 days. So it means that the whole supply will be entirely decentralized. A YFI dApp will allow the lending and borrowing options of approved cryptocurrencies and stable coins. The participants can also leverage the inbuilt decentralized exchange protocol to swap the assets securely and without incurring high transaction cost. YFI dApp will also provide the insurance options that allow the participants to fortify and reduce the risk level of their leveraged positions against the undesirable market speculation. Finally, the YFI dApp offers the users with interactive casual games that allow them to stake their holdings in live for the higher returns. And YFI dApp will develop and promote the exemplary products that will benefit all the stakeholders. Now talking about the lending and the borrowing project of the YFI dApp. The purpose of the lending on the YFI dApp platform is to increase the quantity of the staked assets. This way, the participants can swap the stable coins for the cryptocurrencies that promise high liquidity. By lending their assets, participants will benefit from the interest rates that are calculated dynamically to reflect the current demand and supply for the selected lending pairs. And for the borrowing, YFI dApp also makes the process of borrowing funds from the platform simple and quick. By placing the approved cryptocurrencies as collateral, users will receive instant access to the stable coins. The entire process is seamless, and the borrower is not battered with the hassles of negotiating the loan terms, interest rate, the payment period. Dedicated algorithms compute the borrower's requests in a real time and offer them the best loan package. So this is all about the YFI dApp, and about the ecosystem. YFI dApp arrives with an inbuilt decentralized exchange that will allow the users to buy and sell the approved cryptocurrencies at competitive prices by using a combination of on-chain smart contracts and off-chain order book. Participants will be able to exchange the assets instantly and securely. YFI dApp will enable the atomic swaps between the participants, thus allowing them to settle the transactions peer-to-peer and discreetly. A nominal but low fee will be charged on every transaction, which will be redistributed in the ecosystem as rewards. Here you can see the main Medium link of the blog written by the YFI dApp, and if you want to invest in this project, you must have to read all the things about it. Now the best thing which I am going to mention over here, that is about the price prediction of this token. In the starting, the team is going to take the price about $3 or up to maximum $5. So very soon the price will increase because the entire team tokens will be locked for 1 year, and every month they will get some amount of tokens. It means that the entire supply will be decentralized and there isn't any type of centralized body who is going to attain your assets. So 100% a new and very best project for you, because in the starting, if you are going to invest in this plan, definitely you will make some good profit. And the supply is not as much. As per my own point of view, 100,000 is nothing at this time, and if as the team is working on it and especially the devs are working on the entire system, so definitely the price will increase up to minimum $60 to $70 in near future. So it's your time to grab the opportunity in the beginning, and you must have to follow them, as I'm saying again and again, because you will get entire news of the YFI dApp on the Twitter main page. And if you have any type of queries, any type of questions, you must have to follow them, and also you can ask the team directly on the social media. So it means at the end story is this, that 50x is waiting for you if you are going to grab the opportunity. And on 10th of November, the token will be live on the Uniswap exchange, and I will share the link in the description of the Uniswap exchange, so you can easily go over there and you can purchase the token directly from the exchange.